Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of Cosentino products, now available for download in the BIM Object Cloud. In this video, we will talk about Cosentino Silestone tiles, now available for Revit and ARCHICAD. The BIM objects can be downloaded using our integrated apps or directly from our portal, like I'm doing. If we write Cosentino in the search bar, we will see all products from this manufacturer. We can use the category filters on the left to narrow down our search until we find the product we're looking for. Cosentino products are presented in individual product pages which contain all the necessary information about the product. In the product page, we can see the product name, a description, prescription text, links to some technical and other kind of information from the manufacturer, and other information like classifications, regions where this product is available, and properties. If we click on the download button, we will see all the available files for download of this product. We will start downloading the files for Revit. First, we need to download the Revit file together with the material textures. In the Revit file, you will find a presentation sheet which shows the available finishes of the product and some basic information about dimensions and thicknesses. Cosentino Silestone tiles are created as wall and floor system families and as building materials as well. On the screen, we can see an example of a wall system family. In each tile, you will find the same information and links to the manufacturer as in the product page. We can also use the integrated BIM Object app for Revit to search and download Cosentino products. We just need to search and choose the files we want to download. Now we will download the files for ARCHICAD. In this case, you will have to download the macro library and the GSM files for the wall covering and the floor. First, we need to add the macro library to our project in File, Libraries and Objects, Library Manager. We click on Add and we select the macro library that we have downloaded. Now we're going to add the downloaded objects in the embedded library. We click on this icon and we select the downloaded GSM files. These objects can be used with Interior Wizard, an ARCHICAD add-on that we can download from Graphisoft website. First of all, we need to create a zone in order to use this add-on. With the arrow tool, we select the zone and then we go to Design, Design Extras, Interior Wizard, Create Room Accessory. In this menu, we first click on the floor accessory and select the silestone tile we downloaded. We can change its thickness and finish. We do the same to place the silestone tile for the wall accessory and select the other silestone tile that we have downloaded. Wall tiles can be placed horizontally or vertically, and we can also change their finish and thickness. If we go to the 3D view, we can see how the tiles are displayed. The integrated BIM Object app for ARCHICAD is a faster way to search and download the objects. We just need to sign in, look for the manufacturer, and select the products that we're interested in. Enjoy using Cosentino products, and thanks for watching.